Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams app. For this we are going to our phone screen. Here you see this icon of Teams app. I click here. Here at the bottom you see options, activity, chat, Teams, assignment, calendar. You have to select here calendar. In calendar we have to click plus. After this, title option is there on the top. We are scheduling a new meeting here. So in title we can write our subject or topic, but here I am writing just my name, Nina. Then we have to set here day and date. So ये day and date, it is 22, today's date. So I keep it the same. If I want to schedule this meeting for suppose 23, so I can click here 23 and then OK. Then we have to set a time. Here you see Sunday, May 23, 2021 is written here. In the right side of this there is time 1:30. So I have to click this time. When I clicked on the time, then I got this watch, and this watch, this clock is showing me 1:30 time 1. And suppose I want to take meeting at 8. So 8 is selected, and now it is 8:30. Now seconds, this clock is showing the seconds. So again if I want to choose 8 only, not 8:30, so I will move this needle on to 0 and leave it. OK. So now you can see here time is 8 on 23. Then here I see time is one more time, date is there the same below first one, second one is there the same date, but time is different. It is 8:30. This app is taking automatically half an hour time, but if I want to take this meeting for 1 hour, so I will click here on the second line and this time right side. And now I want to take this meeting for 1 hour, so I will choose 9. 9 is selected, and now second. When I take this needle to 9 and leave it, time is selected. Now I get the clock for selecting seconds, and I don't want 9:30, so I take this needle to 0 and leave it, and then OK. Now you can see on my screen there is time 8 and 9. So 1 hour meeting I have scheduled. Here one thing I want to tell you, this meeting you can start any time or can end any time. This time is just to inform the participants, the group members, when we are going to start the meeting and when we are going to end the meeting. We will do that, but suppose you are starting meeting 5 minutes before, or you are ending 5 minutes before or 10 minutes later, then no problem. After doing this, we have to share it to channel. Channel we have made already. Our classes have been made already. So if you don't have, then you have to make it. So I select a channel, and in this channel I have to select, I have to take this meeting suppose in 7th class 7th. So here if I click on class 7, so that general was written there, that has been minimized. Now I again click here. If general is already there, you click on general. After that, meeting has been scheduled. Now you have to click here on right side tick. Right side tick is there on the top. Here you have to click. Sorry, it could not be saved. It could not be saved, so let me see. अच्छा, let us see again. Teams में नहीं, it has been scheduled. We go on Teams, and then again I have to click class 7 general, and now here I see this meeting, scheduled meeting is here. Now I have to do the settings of the meeting. For that I have to click on this purple line. Here my meeting is being shown tomorrow 8 o'clock. So I click here on purple strip, and then I reach here. Suppose I have to start this meeting, so I can click on join, or suppose I want to change make any changes to the meeting, then I can click on edit. Here you can see, but I have to do settings of the meeting. For this, there you can see one option, setting option is there, meeting options. It is written here, meeting options. Click on it, meeting options. Here, so here meeting options are written here, and on the top it is showing Nina, May 23, 2021, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. meeting is there, and Nina Gupta. Then meeting options में who can bypass the lobby. Here it is people in my organization. So if you don't make setting here, anyone can start your meeting, enter your meeting, and it will be a problem. So when I click on this people in my organization or whatever, in right side arrow, this arrow, then it shows options. Everyone, people in my organization, people in my organization and guest. Then last में only me, तो better select only me. Then there is one more question, who can present. Here also right side we have to click, and on the bottom line we get only me, and we select only me. So no one can start our meeting, no one can enter our meeting without our permission, and no one can share anything in our meeting. But we give students permission, allow mic for attendees, allow reactions. So here it is up to you whether you allow or not. If you don't want to allow mic to attendees, you can off it here, and if you want to allow reactions, you can leave, otherwise you can off here. So I allow this, and if I will feel any problem when I am taking meeting that time, so I can change the settings that time also. Now I save it. In this way Our meeting has been scheduled. Here, 2 points are very important. First question, who can bypass the lobby? Only me. And who can present? Only me. Done. हो चुका है ये. It is done already. Now we can come out. Cross this page, and here you can see one more option, cancel event. Meeting options, where we were seeing the meeting options, we selected meeting options, we made all the settings. Below it, cancel event is also there. If you want to cancel this event, you don't want to take this meeting, then you can cancel from here. Any meeting, after taking your meeting, if you want to cancel that meeting, you can cancel from here. Now we come out. How we can start? Class 7 जनरल से क्लिक करेंगे, and then blue strip is there. First we will see, is it that meeting which we want to join? This meeting is tomorrow 8, and if I want to start it, I can start it now also. So I will click on blue strip, and then I will join पे क्लिक करेंगे. यहाँ अगेन join is there, इस पे क्लिक we are doing, and I have joined the meeting, and other participants also will join if it is the right time, otherwise they will not join. So if I want to end this meeting, here is a red button. This red button I can click, and we can end the meeting, or we can leave the meeting. In meeting we have to take care. If we are organizer, then we have to ask everyone to leave the meeting, and when everyone has left the meeting, then only we have to leave the meeting with this red button. So that's all in this video, although there are so many things to tell, but I will keep making separate small videos. Thank you, friends.